Hey.
Well, how'd you do?
I did not do very good.
You know,
I
the
didn't have
first,
very much time.
I would say the first
What?
half was really bad. Like it's really bad.
Yeah.
But the second half, I got like all of them right. So
Oh, good. I'm glad. I did not. So.
yeah, the first half, I knew as I was answering it, I was like, yeah, no, no, it's gonna end badly.
Taylor, did you get the first ones?
I'm gonna get to it real quick. I don't think so. I did pretty bad at it actually.
Okay.
I didn't really do that good.
There has to be a way to like figure out how it works. Like I don't know why it's not working.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Did you guys?
A simple way to figure it out.
How did you guys do on it? Like overall, did you guys do pretty good or?
No, the first half, like 1 through 15, bombed it. Like I got 3 right.
Yeah.
And then the rest of it, I only got 3 wrong. So I mean, the last half I did okay. The first half, that was rough.
Yeah, the first half I didn't do that good too.
It's bad.
Yeah. I don't like when it's cumulative or whatever it's called, because I can't remember all this stuff. Like, so I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I'm just trying to figure it out. I don't know. I hate it.
And I hate that it's all like wording problems. That's the crap I struggle with, and now I'm like, ugh.
I hate it.
So
I did not do good.
Yeah, those wording problems are kind of awful when it comes to these quizzes.
Yeah.
Worst.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's see. Let me
get to it.
I got 2 right. That's like the only one I got right out of those.
I got 1.
Nice.
I
got 1 right.
Got 7, 11, and 13 right.
Okay. Yeah, I got 2, 9, 10, 13 right. Yeah.
Let's see.
And then I had a good stretch of getting some other ones right, but
2 right, that's more than me. I did not get 2.
But then I got a lot of the other ones wrong too, so. Anyways.
I don't do good on these because with the equation questions or the other questions, I can go into Excel and see which ones like match up with the wording of the Excel sheet. So to me that makes sense. But when they're just like, I don't have any idea. I don't know.
Yeah.
Like I think that I'm getting them right, but I don't get them right.
That's all I got.
So should we like go over like each question then, or are we just kind of?
Let's try that.
See that?
I mean, we can.
Question 2 is the chi, or I can't remember how they say it. Chi.
Yeah,
it's the chi-square test of independence.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if I just guessed or it made sense to me, but.
Okay, so for 3, I put the paired sample t-test.
I think that's what I put too.
Yeah,
that's what wrong.
That's what I put too. So I guess all 3. It's crazy how all 3 of us picked the same one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's read over it. Okay, so a human resources manager reported data from a recent involuntary reduction at her company. You are an attorney and want to determine if age discrimination was a factor. The company reported the number of employees in 2 groups. So there's 2 groups.
And that's
40 years old, 40 years old or younger, and over 40 years old. the number of employees in each group who were terminated. You want to determine if both age groups were treated equally. See, I don't know.
See, I wouldn't think it cannot be independent because those two depend on each other. Because you're either 40 or younger or you're not. Like,
yeah.
Yeah.
Sample. It's not
and age.
It wouldn't be
Age is a qualitative. It's not. It's or quantitative. It's not the other one because that's numbers.
And it wouldn't be like a NOVA because it's like more than two
Thinking
groups.
it's got to be.
Uh-huh.
It's not.
What do you
Yes, two sample t-tests. Is that on there? No, of course
No,
not.
it's not.
Of course not.
What is
The one there's a test of two proportions, but
yeah, what does that even mean?
the test of two proportions.
That's categorical, right? X
Yeah.
and like p hat and all that stuff. But that's like that would be my only other guess too, because that's the only thing that has two different like independent.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
Oh, well.
So, are you thinking it's the test of two proportions, or?
Yeah, I'm thinking test of two proportions too.
Because that's two and.
Let's go for it.
And all of my reasons were wrong before. So
Like try it out, see.
yeah, we'll see.
Okay, 4.
4.
Did anyone get 4?
I did not get 4.
I put. I think I did the same. The test of two proportions.
I put one sample t-test.
Let's see. No, one sample t-test. Okay, you did one sample t-test.
I put one simple z test. That's the first one.
Okay, I did test of two proportions.
Am I breaking up with you guys? I wanted to know if it's like my computer or my
a little bit. Oh.
Okay. Because my Wi-Fi's been stupid today.
Okay. Does it help when we read them out loud? I don't know. It does not. See.
I can read it if you want me to.
Oh, sorry. I'm my Wi-Fi issue.
You're good. Yeah, go for it and read it.
Read it and just, okay. A survey was conducted by a group of states lotteries. A random sample of 2,406 adults completed this survey. A total of 248 were classified as heavy players. Of these, 152 were male. You want to determine if the proportion of male heavy lottery players is different than the proportion of males in the population, which is 48.5%. Which hypothesis test would be most appropriate for this analysis? And one simple z-test, one simple t-test, paired simple t-test, independent simple t-test, ANOVA, test of one proportion, test of two proportions, or chi-squared test of independence. Let's see.
Okay. So we're like, are we comparing? So we're comparing the 152 male, that's within the 248 to like the proportion of males in the population. Are we comparing the population of males in total in the population? I don't know. This one's confusing.
Yeah, this one's confusing.
Sorry, I'm hoping that maybe moving will help with this I'm having here.
Yeah, we're confused on this one.
Yes.
Okay, what number are you guys on? 4? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And you guys guessed the one sample Z test and the one sample T test, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So doesn't it sound like it's comparing like the male population who do like the the lottery compared to the males in like the total population of people, I guess, because the proportion of males in the population, which is 48.5%. Oh, is it? Comparing two different. I don't know. I guess it's still one sample.
Okay.
Is there a part in the book where it tells us how to figure this out?
Well, and since she said this stuff was like the cumulative of everything, I mean,
Yeah.
it could be anywhere. Could be any section. Did anyone guess sample T test? Did I miss that?
Oh, what was that again?
On 4?
On number 4, did anyone guess the paired samples T test?
I didn't.
I didn't.
Oh. Since there's like 2 different categories of like heavy lottery players and regular population?
Maybe it was that.
That could be it.
That's the only thing I'm thinking of here. Because it has to be quantitative. It can't be the other thing because it's numbers. I'm thinking paired samples.
Okay, let's do that.
So the paired sample.
Paired samples t-test. That's what I'm doing.
T-test.
What did we put on 3?
3. We'll put the test of 2 proportions.
Yeah. Okay, for 5, I put test of 2 proportions and
It's tested 2 proportions. Is that what you said?
yeah, test of 2 proportions.
Yeah, test of 2 proportions. Okay. All right.
Six.
I thought that was independent, so it's not that one.
I got 5 wrong. Yeah, that's what I put down and you got wrong. So
Got 5 wrong.
mm-hmm.
Okay, like I said, you got it right, and that's what it was. Gotcha.
So proportions on 5.
Yeah, I don't know anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, my all glitchy. What did you guys put for number 5?
I put the independent sample t-test.
I put test of 1 proportion, but I kind of guessed on that one because I didn't really know how to do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we're comparing 2 locks, right? Like how fast.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Um.
Okay, so both sorry, test of proportion ones are out. So it would be like the chi-square test. That doesn't seem right.
Yeah, that one. Isn't that one for if it's independent or not? That's what we're testing.
If it's independent.
Yeah, so I don't know if it'd be that one.
Yeah.
Independent sample 2 test.
and it's not paired, right?
It might be the chi-squared test. Because if they're doing like averages or percentages to see which one's faster. I don't know.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
That's the only thing I can think of, because all the other things can be eliminated unless it's ANOVA or the chi-squared test.
Okay, let's want to do that, the squared one test. I don't know. I obviously don't know how to do it, so.
So you said like the chi?
Yeah,
The chi-squared test of
that's going to be my best guess at this moment.
Yeah.
Okay, 6.
6, I put independent samples, T top.
Yeah, I put independent as well.
Yeah. Same.
Okay.
Okay, blank employees to appraisers. When approving borrowing smart resources important. Provided 6 properties that both appraisers had recently valued. Could it just be the last one, maybe? I don't know.
The confidence interval.
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Sounds good to me.
Okay,
Yeah, I don't think it would be one proportion. It'd probably be 2.
I don't know. I know they're not paired, are they? It's not paired samples.
Yeah, I mean,
It
6
doesn't look like it.
both appraisers.
Okay.
Okay.
Seven.
7 I got right.
Oh, sweet. What did you get?
It was the last one. Confidence interval for
Okay.
So if that one was the 2 proportions, would the last one be the same?
Let's look.
Or would it be different?
Well, there's 2 categories. And 7. There's 2 different appraisers in 6.
I mean, it could probably be the same answer.
I don't know. These guys are so tricky. Probably is.
And it's so tricky, yeah.
Yeah, we'll just leave it. Well, I'll leave it.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna keep going on at this point.
Okay, 8. It's not the page sample T one.
Yeah, and it's not confidence interval for one proportion.
Yeah, I put the confidence interval for one proportion.
There's ways to filling regular order.
How do we know the difference between a Z confidence or a T, like a T test or a Z test?
Me neither. At the
Yeah.
What is I don't know.
I don't remember. I'm sure there's a difference, but I don't remember it.
Do we think it's one of those, like a one sample Z or one sample T confidence, maybe? Let me just look at what they asked.
So one sample T confidence. What I just heard.
I don't know. Yeah, I was just wondering if maybe it's one of the first two.
Like it's either Z or T. Let's see.
Oh, so I guess the difference, if it's a Z test, you know sigma, and if it's a T test, you don't know.
You don't know sigma.
Or standard deviation, or whatever that means. Oh, simple.
Well, I'll go ahead and put like one sample T confidence and then see if it works.
Okay, so T. I'll do that. 9. I think I got 9 right.
That'd be great.
Okay. Probability of a type 1 error.
Great.
Yeah, I googled that one. I'm like, what is what did I Google? The significance level of a hypothesis test. And then it said something about like getting a false negative or false positive. Anyways, yeah. It's a type 1 error.
Okay. I got 10 right.
Or probably doing that. Yeah, me too.
Yay.
I put the last one for 10.
It's the third one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got that one wrong.
11 I got wrong. 11 I got right. Did you guys get 11 right?
I put the last one and it was wrong.
I put the last one on this one. So I put like there's 95% chance.
So maybe it's
But now I'm thinking maybe it was the first one.
The first one?
I don't know.
I don't think it's the second one.
I don't think it's the second one.
And if it's not the second one or not the last one, and you said it was the third one, that makes sense.
I was thinking that it was either probably the first one.
The first one?
I think it's the first one.
It might be,
Probably, yeah. Okay. 12 wrong too?
Yeah, I got 12 wrong.
I put 30. I don't know how I got it right now, but that's what I put.
Oh, that's right. You got 30?
I got 30. I got it wrong. So
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I put 0.003. But I did. Let's see. I did. I think I did. I thought I could like, so like, 0.30 divided by 100 or something. I thought it was something like that, but that wasn't it.
yeah, I just put 100 times 0.3 and got 30. And then I just divided it. And I got your answer with 0.003.
Yeah.
Right?
What did you get, Taylor? What did you do for it?
So I got 0.054, and I don't know how I got that. So I was kind of like calculating. So I put like 100 divided by 0.30, and I added up, and I added like another number to that. But yeah, I didn't really know like how to solve that. I was really confused in this question. So 0.054.
Well, I did it backwards, and I got like 3.3.
Am I on like the right track though? Like with like dividing the 100 divided by like 0.30.
Wait, did you put 30, Kelly?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that was wrong. Dang it.
And I got wrong.
Yeah.
30.
And you said 0.003?
Yeah. Was wrong.
That's fine.
I don't understand how
I did Google it. See if that helps me. Sometimes that helps.
Yeah, the mean distribution. Proportion.
I don't know where to print in the book because it's over so many chapters.
Yeah, to me, I'm like, there's so much information, I can't find anything. But if it's talking, I want to say if it's talking about proportions, it's a recent one, but.
So like if you guys put 30, would it be like 0.30? Maybe that might.
Maybe.
Maybe it is. So it says the variance of the sample distribution of the mean is computed as follows. The variance of the sampling distribution, see, is divided by the sample size. So.
Whoa, sorry. I think I like taking. I think I like the 0.30.
0.30, try that out.
You might do that though.
Yeah, because it's talking about the mean, and that's what he kind of is with proportion stuff.
Yeah.
That's what.
Okay. 13.
I got 13 right.
I did 2 somehow.
Yeah.
You're 13 right, Taylor?
Would that be 0.046?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
0.046?
Mhm.
Yeah, I got that right.
I didn't get 14 right.
I didn't get 14 right.
Yeah, I didn't. Let me see.
Example, 100 adults, portion lesson.
It's confusing. I don't understand how to find it. Like, the
So I
problem
think I used Excel to do this.
Oh, really?
But maybe I put things in the wrong Excel sheet where I got one wrong.
Okay.
Let me
I didn't know I could
do
do
this.
Which, like, spreadsheet are you using? Thing to use in Excel.
For this one, use the categorical analysis, and I think I just used the one for person. I'm trying to remember if I used it or not correctly.
Oh, okay. I see it now. Maybe this will be it. So we're using the one sample z-test for the proportion? Is that what you're using? So, like, in X, we put, like, 0.5 or 0.25.
Let me look. Okay, so in the input, I put 30, and then n was 100,
Okay.
and that's how it looks like how I got 13 standard deviation, and then 14. Now it's giving me a different value. So
What did you put in the X for X?
for X, I think I put 30.
Wait, why 30? Did I look that wrong?
I don't know.
From the previous question?
Oh, I think yeah, because of 100, and then I times that by 0.3, and I got 30. And that's what I put, and I got standard deviation. Because my answer before was 0.826, and now the p-value is much simpler. It's 0.00.
What about 0.897?
Nope, I don't have that one. But I didn't. Well, I haven't changed my null hypothesis. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm kind of lost on this one.
Less than 7. Yeah, I just got the same p-value that I had the first time, so I'm not doing something correct.
I'm confused. So why you put 30 instead of like 25 or 0.25?
Maybe I should have put or taken it.
Isn't that what it's asking? I don't know.
Because I did that with the original 0.3, but maybe I should do it with the and see where I'm at. I mean, that changes my standard deviation, but it also changes the values. But the standard deviation was being under the 0.3 question, and now that 14 is being asked under 0.25, so it would make sense why the standard deviation would be different in 14 now. And so the p-value I got was 0. Doing it with the 0.25.
I don't know.
Yeah.
If it makes sense to you, I'll do whatever you guys think. I don't know. Not making sense to me.
Yeah, the only thing I can think of, you know, putting with 25 and with 100 and doing all that, the p-value is still 0.500. But that's what I'm not sure for the null hypothesis. I mean, I put 0.25. What are you guys putting in the null hypothesis in the?
At first I just left it because it was 0.70, so I didn't even notice it, but I just changed it to 0.25 because we had said that, but.
Well, since the null hypothesis is the first one, I changed it back to 0.30, and of course different p-value now. I don't know.
Yeah. Somehow I got 0.876.
That's what I got the first time. It's wrong.
Oh, that's wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let me see.
Okay, well,
Okay, well, I'm gonna go with the 138 because I have my null hypothesis. I have the 0.30, and the x is 25, the n is 100, and it's less than.
okay.
So that's gonna be my guess right now.
It's 0.138.
Yeah, and I'll submit first and see if that's wrong.
I'll go with that too.
Yeah, since so many of them seem to just be kind of best guesses here.
Yeah.
On my part, anyway.
No, that's for me too. Margin of error. 15.
Yeah, 15 I didn't even do. I was like, nope. not even gonna put up with it.
The more
I got it wrong, so I don't know.
Now you're gonna take the 1.96 and put it somewhere.
That's it.
That.
I'm gonna try to find my work and see if I did anything right.
Is it upper plus lower bound divided by 2? Or is it minus?
Divided by sounds more correct.
Yeah, it's divided by, so it's like plus or minus, like when it comes to upper bound and lower bound.
Okay.
Something.
Why are we supposed to use that? Where it's like 1.96 times the square root of p hat times 1 minus p hat divided by n. Is that what it is? I feel like I did that, but I got it wrong, so I don't know.
I don't know. I got confused because there's two p hats, and so I didn't know which. I like I said, I didn't even try. I was like, I looked for that formula, and I was like, yep, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna go on to less frustrating things, especially after the first half of that test. So.
Yeah. Because the test opens up today, right?
Yeah, it's open today. I think it closes Wednesday.
Oh, okay. I'll probably take it Wednesday then.
Yeah.
I'll probably take it tomorrow. Get it over with.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I don't know then for this one.
Yeah, 15. I don't know.
I don't know too. The margin of error gets me a lot too.
Not every time.
Okay, let's see. 16. I got 16 right.
Yeah, I got 16 right.
So I got those 2 questions wrong. So I got that's how I didn't figure out like the margin of error, because I probably would have got that if I knew the lower and upper bound. But I didn't get that.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's negative 0.003 for 16.
Negative 0.003.
Yeah. And then 17 is 0.029.
Awesome, thank you.
Yep. 18 is the first one.
Yeah.
And finally, these ones I finally started to get right.
Yeah, like I
So,
kind of figured out those.
I got 18 right.
Awesome.
okay, 19 is 1.5.
1.45.
458.
20 is 0.145.
Yep.
Like, we could go over how to do these, but I'm kind of tired.
Yeah. No, that's fine. 21 I got wrong. I don't know why.
Yeah, I hate when there's like 6 or 7 multiple choice.
Yeah.
I know.
I don't know.
It's
So it's the last one that you failed to reject, HO.
Okay. Oh, see, I put yes, I failed to reject. I meant no.
yeah, I put no, I reject. So I put like the third one.
Me.
Let's see. 22. Did we get these ones?
Hello?
I got 22.
Okay, yeah, me too.
I did not get 22.
Okay. This was another like Excel thing. I think that's why I got so many of these last ones right, because I was just putting stuff in Excel.
And it just okay. I'll do that.
But I got 6.579 for 22.
6.579.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, is this one the chi or chi? How did you say it? Chi square?
Hi.
Is that? I think it's
Okay.
the one with the chart. Like it kind of looks like a chart.
Yeah,
So,
that's kind of how I figured it out too. Was the chart that they have above it?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's what it was. I didn't go to chi. When I was filling it out. I went to I think I went to the proportion one.
Oh.
So that.
Gotcha. Okay, 23.087. Did we have any of these ones wrong, or did we get them all right?
No, I got 24 right, 25, 26, 27, 28. I got those all right.
I'm good until 28. I got all those ones, but I got 28 wrong.
Okay, let me go
So
down.
I got 23 right, or yeah, I got 24, 25, 26. I did not get right.
Okay.
And 27 and 28. I did not.
Okay, well, 26, it was just another Excel, 0.190.
Okay.
I wish I could remember which one it was, but I don't at the moment, which Excel one it was.
Mm-hmm.
And then 27 too,
Yeah, 27.
0.310.
0.310.
Mm-hmm. And then 28, right, Rebecca? You need that one?
Yeah.
Okay, it was 1,537, so 1537. And I can't tell you how I got it because I don't remember.
That's okay.
No, I'm like, I feel bad. I just give you the answers. I wish I could tell you how I got these answers, but I don't remember at this point. It's all becoming a blur. So.
Too many questions.
Mhm.
Okay, and then I got 29 wrong as well.
Okay,
Yeah.
so one. So second from the last one.
Okay, I put the last one.
Okay. The second from the last. Okay, I got them all right until number 39. So
Gotcha. I need 31 and 33.
okay. 31. That's fine. It was 1.768. And it's all Excel stuff. How I think I got lucky putting it in the right one.
Uh-huh.
And
Yeah, I feel like I just don't know which one to put it in, so
mhm.
I don't know.
Same.
Yeah, I think it's just figuring out which one it goes in.
I got 32 wrong.
Okay. P-value was 0.039.
Right.
And then 33 was the first one. Yes, I rejected HO.
Wait, what did you say you got for 32?
32, 0.039. Go up.
I said I got that one right, but I got 1.000.
Oh.
So maybe I just got that wrong, but I said I got it right.
Okay.
That's probably what I... So wait, what is the real answer?
Sorry, what?
What's 32?
32 is 0.039. Yeah, I have my test pulled up just to make sure I marked everything
Okay.
correctly.
Yeah, I like write it down, so sometimes I mess up on that.
Yeah.
So I was confused on number 30.
On 30?
Yeah.
30 is the first one.
Okay, I put the second one.
Yeah, there's one thing in there that has like the number 5 for something, but this was number 10.
Okay, that makes sense.
It was in my notes, so I was lucky I kind of found it amongst all the other jumble stuff in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, and then I got 40 to 45, all wrong.
Okay, I got 39 wrong,
I got
but the rest 39, 44, 45 are wrong. The rest I got right, so we can keep going.
Okay.
I got like 39 to 45.
Okay.
39 is the first one.
First, okay. Okay, so 40 was 8.7.
Say that again.
8.728. And then 41 was 10.455. Okay, and then 42 was 22.446.
22.446.
Mm-hmm. 43 was 40. And then 44 and 45 I didn't. I don't know how I got the rest of it right and not those.
I just got it all wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. What's the p-value? Oh yeah, that's weird.
I remember that 44 p-value was one of those like error things, and I didn't do anything about it. I just put in the first decimal numbers and called it good.
Yeah. What kind of test did you use?
I think I went to sample t-test.
The two sample.
But I'm not sure. Let me double check here. I might have actually gone to a paired test. Yeah, because it's talking about differences, and this is the height thing, right? Yeah, so I went into paired test. And that's how I got all of these answers, except for 44.
Mm-hmm.
That
I got them all wrong.
Oh, I think I know what I did wrong with the one. I put greater than, maybe it's just equal to. Oh, that's still error 24 or whatever. Maybe not.
Yeah.
Do you have to fill in the null hypothesis?
Say what now?
Do you have to put something in the null hypothesis part?
I put 0.
It's 0 for me.
Wonder if that would change my p value.
Did you have to mess with sigma at all? Like 0.05?
No, it's just the confidence level. I put 0.95.
Oh, this is the confidence level?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why I got them all wrong.
Yeah,
Weird. Okay.
And of course, if my p value's off, I don't know what 45 is, but.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
wrong with my report? Let me download it again.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting things into the quiz and see if some of these are right or wrong.
Yeah.
Because what I'm doing wrong with that one at all.
What did she get for 45? What is that one?
For which one?
45.
45. I put the last one down, and it was wrong.
Oh, yeah, that's what I put. Dang it.
Would it be the second to last one?
I don't know.
Like, yes, because we rejected.
Oh, we don't know the p-value, huh? Exactly, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What's that? Oh, that's just my lunch from work. It's a week at week for my diet. Yeah. I had a brownie today. I had a piece of pie. I had 2 chocolate chip cookies. And I had chocolate.
So what do you guys think? You guys think it's kind of like the second to last one? Because I thought it was yes because we failed to reject the null hypothesis. But if we kind of think it's yes, then it could be the other one.
So you haven't been seconded just
But I'm not really sure.
You haven't been seconded just for.
I'm trying to think.
Right?
You haven't been sticking.
Yeah, I'm like,
Oh, it's a human thing.
sounds good to me.
I know. I was like, if we think it's yes, then I don't know.
Use the upper.
Maybe. Yeah.
I don't know. Try it.
Guess we can try it out to see if we do all right on this.
Yeah. 28.
Um,
I think it's the first one. You know what I mean? Because if we're failing to reject, then it's no. Oh, I don't know.
Hmm.
What do you think? What do you think it is, Rebecca?
The first one.
No, because we failed to reject. The other one we were saying we still failed to reject, but we said yes. So maybe no, we failed to reject.
Yeah, I mean, I was looking at it and then I wrote down last and I got it wrong, but then I wrote question mark. I wrote down first. So that might have been my second guess.
Was no, because we failed to reject.
Possibly.
But,
Okay, cool.
hey, so I guess I forgot to mention this, but 24 and 25, I didn't get right too.
Okay.
Those are like the only ones out of the other ones that I did not get right.
Okay. Which numbers were those? 24?
24 and 25.
Okay. 24 was the fourth one. So you got like a yes, no, yes, no.
Yeah, so it's no, the p-value is greater than 0.05.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then 25 is the last. We have insufficient evidence to say that being a morning or evening person is not independent of age.
Okay. And I guess we can't really figure out 44. It's kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just one of those questions.
Yeah, I can't. I'm gonna put down my last thing that I got and see if it works.
This is so hard. I'm not excited for the test.
Yeah, I'm not excited for the test too.
Yeah, me neither. It's gonna be awful.
Yep.
Yeah, there's probably gonna be like 50 questions on this test or something.
Well, the fact that like half of it is review, I'm like, I can't remember all of that. This new stuff and
Yeah, it's.
actually like get it all.
Yeah, because like the test, like usually it's like worth like what 50% of your grade
Hmm.
or something. It's like I always get nervous when it comes to the test.
Well, there's some pressure in there.
Yeah.
All right, I'm almost there, you guys. Six. Ugh. 22. All right.
responsible.
Does it?
So I said that I hate Tarzan, and then Courtney says he's never even seen it. And I said, I reserve the right to take and watch the movies. And she says, that makes no sense. You can't take something for
Is she wrong?
Yeah, she is.
That's what Tarzan said.
Okay. So I'm gonna turn this in.
I'll watch it.
So,
What? I laughed because I broke up with Anna yesterday.
I said, why are you always out?
She's gonna be like, because I'm a woman.
Alright, it's okay. I'm probably done.
okay.
I think she likes you.
So don't worry, but
I'm not gonna do anything about it.
what is it?
I mean, kiss her.
Say what?
45 is not the first
And
one.
then say
Oh.
something about it.
Okay.
If you want to switch that, go for it. I don't know what to, but
Maybe we can just go on base or something.
Would it be the third one then?
Who? I'm not going to fucker.
No. I mean,
Yeah, you
I did the last one. I did the first
It's
one.
not the first
Yeah, we
one.
tried the third one. Let's try the third one.
Yeah, but you need to step up her. Or she'll think you don't care.
Oh, and was the margin of error, was that one right? With 15, the one we had like trouble with?
I don't remember coming up for 15.
How's your assignment going?
So Rebecca, did you try the rest of them, or did you redo it?
yeah, I can tell you which ones are still wrong. You got 4 wrong. 5 wrong.
So 4 and 5 are wrong.
6 is wrong.
Oh my god.
We're getting these alright. Wrong.
Which one?
11.
Oh, 11. Dang, man.
15, of course.
I don't know. It's a gift.
He's right.
No, that's pushing it.
You say, and maybe it's not.
We're getting a lot right.
See, what you should have said is, why do you think you're always right? Just by saying, why are you always right?
And then 44 and 45 are wrong. That's right.
Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 11. Then 44, 5, 46.
Yeah.
It was fine then. Well, thanks for taking one for the team, Rebecca.
Yeah, no problem. I wasn't going to work on it anymore, so.
You like that? Yeah.
I just want to pass. This is all I'm going to do at this point. I just want to
It
pass.
needed to be said.
Same.
Yeah, I feel blessed.
All right.
Okay. Well,
Mhm.
we have to figure it out.
11.
So it wasn't the first one in 11.
Yeah, and it wasn't the
And
last one. That was the first one. So I'm gonna put the third one.
95% of the data.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if it could be in number 2. The confidence interval is actually mean, the true mean.
Which one? Sorry.
Oh, I said I don't think it could be number 2.
Yeah.
B. So yeah, it makes sense. Number C. So hopefully,
Yeah.
fingers crossed.
And of course, margin of don't have any idea.
And yeah, I kind of figured like 6 would be wrong because it was the same thing as 7.
Oh, yeah.
The same exact answer.
Okay, well, I'm going to turn this in and see where I am. We're looking at 4, right?
Yeah, 4.
Okay, so 4, I've just randomly put down 1. And so it's not one sample T, and it's not paired test,
Sample T.
and it's not test of 2 proportions. So,
And I don't know if it would be Chi because the next 2 are Chi, or we put like, I don't know, we put Chi already, so I'm not sure if they need to put the same one. I'm not sure how that goes.
let's say 5 I got wrong, 2. Again. And 6. I didn't get 6 right either. So all of my like guessing didn't
Didn't really help.
didn't really help at all.
Like on the hot date. That's how you get a hot date.
11 was still wrong. So I guess maybe it is the one that the 95 of all 95 confidence.
And it's true mean.
Yeah, the one that we were all sure.
That one, yeah.
Okay. Get to the bottom here. Okay, so 45 is yes because we rejected the null.
So it is C.
Yeah, go Taylor.
Yes.
So that one is correct. And I All right. So good luck, Taylor. You're taking it.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks so much for you guys' help, and
Yeah, thanks for you guys' help. I passed it.
yeah, we did good. Took us a little bit, but we fixed it, so that's good, right?
Yeah, that's good.
Some kind of accomplishment.
All right. Well,
Awesome.
good luck on the test, guys.
Yeah, come back.
Sounds good, and hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving.
You too. Enjoy your holiday.
Yeah, holidays.
You're gonna have a good Thanksgiving. So quit being skeptical.
Well, thank you so much. So we're meeting again next Monday,
Some of grandma's cooking.
Oh, I'm sure her.
Yeah, thank you.
If that's her,
I guess, or because we don't have any more because of Thursday being Thanksgiving.
Mm-hmm.
So next Monday, I'm guessing.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, sweet. See that then.
I haven't
we'll
had
see you next week.
See you next.